List 5 ways to lift a stone equal to the weight of 10 elephants. Now imagine stacking 10 elephants, 2 million times. The Great Pyramid of Khufu stands 40 stories high and is almost 3 football fields across each side. It's made of 2.3 million blocks, most around 20 tons, but the granite stacked at the very top is up to 80 tons each. Every side aligns almost perfectly to true north. Every block perfectly placed. No cranes, no wheels, no modern tools. The Egyptians didn't just move stone, they moved the impossible. So how would you build a mountain, one 20-ton piece at a time?